So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are getting closer to the hoorah. This is supposed to be center stage up until the actual draft begins. NFL Draft 2022. Football.
We appreciate that, but Mark, your leadership, your vision for what can happen here, you made it all come true with a lot of help, but certainly your willingness to come here and make the commitment to the Raiders of Las Vegas. And think about this.
In the NFL, I think, out here in the audience, so we know you've got an awful lot of fans here. I know that fans will be begging for these events to continue. I like a good game. Just that we know that 50% of the visitors that come either add or extend a trip because of the sporting event. And it keeps our people working. The jobs that this creates in these hotels, these restaurants, these shops have been incredible for us.
Let's go, Roger!
Keep our economy humming. We are known for our world-class hospitality. And that's because the men and women that make this town turn. These events don't happen without our workforce. It's been absolutely incredible assembling this and putting it together. We thank you all that have been part of the scenes.
We love you, Goodell.
No, we don't.
There's nowhere else you can build the draft stage over the iconic Bellagio fountains. I promised Ed Graney at Review Journal that I'd swim across those fountains if it meant adding more jobs and visitors, but my staff advised me against that. I guess there's a rule.
Goodell, you owe us.
Either way, we're looking forward to a good showing for our home team, the Silver and Black Raiders. Raiders, there we go. I'm sure that between President Ventrelli and Coach McDaniels are going to grab some good draft choices. Even though we don't have a pick tonight, I know Raiders Nation is excited for Devontae Adams, and arguably the best wide receiver in the league.
Stop the vaccinations.
Recall that quarterback Derek Carr wasn't a first-round pick either. So he's working out pretty well for us, and we know you've got some good selections in mind.
The earth is flat.
To a great draft.
So there you have it. We are leaving the center area for the NFL Draft, where you've seen Roger Goodell was sitting alongside a couple other people. I don't really know these guys. I don't really watch football too much. My apologies. But we're going to continue on and see what else we can find out here on NFL Draft Day, Las Vegas. So I noticed one major thing, as you may have noticed also, is I'm walking in the street. Normally, the street is reserved for cars. But because of NFL Draft Day, they've opened the streets and the walk paths for tourists and residents alike for us to enjoy, I guess. But it's definitely at the detriment of all drivers. But this is great for me because I took the bus. Looks like they're gonna have a concert over there too, to the right of me.